Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to end that frustration once and for all. What makes these incredible little trackers stand out is Apple's precision finding with Ultra Wideband technology. This means if your AirTag is nearby, your iPhone can guide you right to its exact location with visual, haptic, and audio feedback. No more aimless searching. Getting started is unbelievably simple thanks to the one-tap setup process. Just bring an AirTag close to your iPhone and it instantly connects. Seriously, within seconds you're ready to track your most important items, making it perfect for anyone looking for effortless organization. And for those everyday adventures, the AirTag boasts IP67 water and dust resistance, so a little splash or dusty environment won't stop it. This durability means your valuables are protected even if the tracker itself encounters a bit of wear and tear, offering peace of mind. With the power of the Apple ecosystem and millions of iPhones globally, finding a lost item miles away becomes a reality through the Find My network. If you're ready to invest in peace of mind, check out the Amazon link below to grab your own Apple AirTag 4-pack. I highly recommend the Apple AirTag 4-pack. It's hands down the best Bluetooth tracker and a must-have electronics purchase for 2025.